The thing where I've heard the from Tinubu. Now he cause him. Tinubu now he cause him. Several it took us. Everything I did cause. No before because of the fight. Now from Tinubu now he cause everything. Everything they cause. Fuel they cause. Everything they cause. Why am no go cause? No go cause. The trailer where they carry 300, 400, we they carry on 2 million, 2.5. Some go sell out no gain. Some go sell them na little they get. But we don't have another business. That is why say anything we see we go manage.
Ahead of this year's Eid-el-Kabir, many Muslims in the country are still grappling with the high cost of rams and other types of animals approved for sacrifice to commemorate the festival celebration worldwide. For the Muslim faithful, making meals out of animals for merriment is also not promising to be a walk in the park, as prices of tomatoes, pepper, and other ingredients have continued to spike across the country. The act of sacrificing a ram is a deeply religious practice for Muslims, a way to honor and emulate Prophet Abraham. In a dream, he was commanded by God to sacrifice his only son, Ishmael. Abraham, in his unwavering faith, agreed to obey, but a ram was sent as a substitute for Ishmael. However, due to the country's economic realities, some residents of the state told the news agency of Nigeria that the prices of the rams and other animals had gone high compared to 2023. In Lagos and other states, the prices of rams and food items have risen significantly beyond the reach of the common man. In some instances, cash-strapped Muslims in groups of 5 to 8 are buying cows for sharing. Meanwhile, rams and other livestock vendors said the prices of the rams were fair, depending on the customer's needs. Market surveys conducted by SYMFONI indicate that the prices of rams, cows, and other sacrificial animals increased by over 300% compared to last year.
Yeah, may God bless Nigeria now. Because in this situation now, I've been in this market as far back as 1.5 hours. What I even expecting to buy is even above my capacity. Because like this ram you are looking at now, the one we bought last year like 160 is now 280,000. And I asked these people that what is the cost? They told me that this ram, like this very one I saw there now, he told me how much he bought it from Arewa without transportation, without feeding. You can see me now that I've been this area before. I went away and now come back again due to what I have in hand before. The ram I'm planning to buy like 160,000. He told me it wasn't less than 270. What do I do? And I don't want to buy small ram. Even this small ram you are looking at, it had the price. But I just pray to our government to have mercy. Although for God already have mercy on us, remain on we people, because God bless us with resources, many things. There is rain today now. There is many countries that are even looking for rain. So with this, all this has already, the work has been perfect from Almighty God. Is now in the hand of we people. We pray those who are in the hub, they focus eyes on the messes. Let something be avoidable to buy. Even feeding now, the record of prices, how much? Which I can even to, how can a man see in family now? You'll be like when you see them, you left them without returning back home. Is it proper? Due to the finance. So I pray this our very government, including our president, I wish may God will guide him, but he should try and praise to Almighty God, so that at the end of the day, if this is not that, feeding is the first thing in the masses. In a country, if any feeding is too high, there is no how. Because you are doing road construction, you are doing this thing. If I don't feed, how can I have stamina?
We know the situation in the country now. The prices are not easy, very expensive. That's the way we got them from the north. We went as far as getting to Niger to get all this ram and goats. It's so expensive. The smallest goat you can get now is from 60,000 upward. That's what can. Why the smallest ram now is from 130, 150 to as far as 1.3. So everything is too expensive. in the country. It is the exchange rate of CFA, because we buy all these things with CFA. We buy from Niger, we buy from Chad. So we go as far as going to meet people from Mali as well at the border to buy from them. All these rams are being sold by the foreigners. Most of our work, it is not easy due to insecurity in the country. So it is the exchange rate that really affects the price. Well, the first thing I felt the government should do is to provide adequate security for our farmers. Because if you look at it, we cannot rear this animal safely in Nigeria again. Because you see all these woodlums, all these bandits, they call them Boko Haram. I don't see them as Boko Haram. I see them as bandits coming to attack our people and stole, rob them, kill them, scatter away their goods. So it's terrible.
It's not moving.
People are not buying
Because of the assumption of the prices. And it's not exactly what we bought. Is what we are selling, and because of the price of logistics, the transportation, everything too high. A 1 ram, the carry it as low as 10,000 naira per one. Since when the Niger Republic border was closed for some times, the prices of the rams start getting up. When it was down open, the situation got worsened. And the Sudan they are fighting. It affect the inflow of the rams and other related animals.
Okay.
So that one really affect, and plus the transportation.
Okay. So people are not coming to.
They are not coming. You can see what people will come. Some people try as far as Mali
to go and buy ram.
to go and buy rams.